Hi, I'm Claudia Richardson from the Charlotte County Libraries in History. Today I'm going to show you how to make dried pressed flowers bookmarks, like this one. For this craft you will need cardstock paper, pressed flowers or greenery, wax paper, a small paintbrush, tweezers, self-sealing laminator sheets, and clear drying school or craft glue. First, start with the cardstock paper, fold it in fours, and cut into bookmark size strips. When using pressed flowers, start with greenery for a good background. Pick out what looks nice to you and place it on the bookmark. Before you start to glue things, place the flowers and greenery you have next to the card to see if the design is what you want to use. Next, it's time to start gluing it. Use just the dot of glue in various places on the greenery. There you go. Now it's time to put a little glue on the flowers that you want to use. After placing the glued flower where you want it, press gently on the dried flower. There. Continue to glue the rest of your design. Once your bookmark is completed, gently pat on the bookmark to make sure that it is flat. Make sure that there is no extra glue on the top of your bookmark. Once you have checked that, place a piece of wax paper on top and place something heavy on it so that your bookmark will be flat as it dries. Leave it to dry at least 24 hours. Here's one that I did yesterday that is now ready. Now it's time to laminate the bookmark. If your sheet is not pre-cut, cut and leave extra around the sides. First, start with the sheet for the back of the bookmark. Pull down the paper backing about an inch. Place the back side of your bookmark card to the sticky side and be sure to center it so there's room for all four sides to seal. this. Next, apply pressure to hold the bookmark in place while you slowly peel the remaining paper until the whole bookmark is stuck to the sheet. Now we have prepared the top of the laminating sheet the same way, starting with 1 inch and slowly, carefully place it, lining up with the edges of the bottom sheet. Now we will prepare the top laminating sheet the same way. Start with 1 inch and slowly, carefully place it, lining up with the edges of the bottom sheet. Again, start holding at the top edge and slowly pulling back the backing paper while firmly pressing the film down onto the flower and pressing most of the air bubbles out. Once you've mastered working with dried pressed flowers, you'll find many ways to use them in crafts. For example, one thing that I have made using the bookmark technique is a miniature picture on an easel stand. You can buy miniature picture frames from the dollar store. I ordered my easels online. These make great gifts. Where do I get my flowers that I use? The majority of the time, I use what I find in my yard, on a walk, and on the side of the road. For this Libraries and History video, we ordered pressed flowers online. If you get serious, you can use a device like the microflora to dry flowers and greenery in microwave for 10 to 30 seconds. You can also put flowers in a heavy book to dry. I find the microflora the fastest and easiest way to dry flowers. To see more techniques, go to YouTube and look how to press dried flowers. They will show various ways of preserving them and examples of dried flower crafts. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and have a new way of looking at the blooms in your yard and growing wild in nature. Please let us know if you enjoyed this and would like to see more programs like this. Thank you for joining me today. See you at the library.